Namah Shivaya. Jai Bholenath. I heartily welcome to my channel The Adi Yoga. Today let's talk about how does the universe work? How does the nature work? Like in the previous video I told, the universe is made up of two elements, the Purusha, the base of spirit, and the Prakriti, the nature, in which Purusha means full consciousness, which is also full zero, which is the God Shiva, and the Prakriti, the nature, means that all the things that are moving, including our thoughts, that means which does not visible but moves, those all are the nature, the Shakti, and the nature works with only two ways. The first is the action and the second is the reaction. The whole universe is bound in this action and reaction. Without knowledge, it is very difficult to understand because most of humans are looking only by whom he or she become happy or hurt. But the knowledgeable person knows that whatever is good or bad happen with them, the reason for it is themselves. And we are the cause of our diseases and poorness, which are the reactions of our actions, which can understand only by the inner knowledge. And the inner knowledge will be gained through the action of the Adi Yoga. For example, Rishi Markandeya had no long life, but he did the act of devotion to God Shiv and composed the Mahamrutyunjay mantra and chanted with conscience. And as the react of this act, he found the God Shiv settled in himself and he became immortal. The Mahamrutyunjay mantra is equally effective today, which I have experienced. If Mahamrutyunjay mantra is chanted with conscience, then you can also find that God Shiv inhabited inside you. Here I give the example of Rishi Markandeya because I am very impressed with him because his knowledge is amazing and unique, and by giving Mahamrutyunjay mantra, he is very kind to all of us. Not only this, he worked for phantom and ancestral welfare. That is also a very amazing and unique work, which impact is still visible today. The example of which is Durga Saptashati Chandipat, and in this its fourth chapter, the Shakradaya Stuti, which is still used to invoke any form of the Adi Shakti or any phantom and ancestral. But be careful, keep in your mind that is intended to be used only after attaining Brahma Tattva or Shiva Tattva, because this is Advaita Mahamaya, means the spiritual illusion, which can be understood only by a Samarth Guru, means a competent master, and can experience it, which can understand by the Adi Yoga. So, we can never repay the goodwill debt of the Rishi Markandeya has on this world. Hardly prostration to Rishi Markandeya and masters like him. So, whatever you do, there is a similar reaction happen. We listen to motivational speakers and also adopt positive thoughts, but still do not enjoy our life. There is always some blankness because we do not understand the subconscious mind, the subtle body, the nature, and the thoughts that we have created. That is, we do not understand ourselves. Like a spider makes a net, but it never gets trapped in it. But the humans who has created a net of thoughts from his mind and subconscious mind, they are trapped in it, which affects our lives the most, which act as a accumulated karma, which can be understood by the Adi Yoga. So, to be understand this inner knowledge and the Advaita Mahamaya, the spiritual illusion, join the Adi Yoga, in which you have to come only once for 2 to 4 hours, in which we will talk about the spirituality and the most important to be experiencing meditation yoga as per my particular way. So call or WhatsApp to register your name today. The number is 9925642741. So today this information was on the working style of the universe, action and reaction, which is the half, and the rest we'll discuss in the next video. How did you like this information? Tell in the comment. If you like this video, then do not forget to share it so that the whole world can benefit from this information and know what is the real Adhyatma, spirituality of the Bharata. And till now, my channel, the Adi Yoga, has not been subscribed, then subscribe it first and press the bell icon so that you get the notification of new videos. That's all for today. We will meet on the next video. Om Namah Shivaya. Jai Bholenath.